Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out this beautiful 1972 Chevy Nova. Got the Yenko stripes on it, beautiful color, fantastic looking car.
That's what I was gonna say, beautiful color.
Yep.
You know, I'm not usually a huge fan of the raised white letter tires with the rallies, but on this one, it's just awesome.
Yeah, I absolutely love the looks of this car.
Door buzzer still works.
Looks great, but it sounds great too.
Yeah, I love it.
Big black Chevy under the hood.
And that fills up the hood, doesn't it?
That does. Power steering.
Was a factory air car. It looks like the air box and everything's really nice still there. But with the big block, you're going to have to, you know, get the compressor and stuff like that yet if you want to do air. It's a good looking car. And you don't see this color every day. You really don't. Is it kind of a butterscotch gold maybe?
Yeah.
Something like that?
And I like that about this car. It's different. You're not going to see another one with this color combination at a car show.
Definitely. I love that it was factory air. So if you want to go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and put that all back on. Bumpers look nice. Grille looks good. It's an older restoration. Is this a fiberglass hood?
Yes, it is.
It is.
Yep.
So you got a fiberglass hood. So as you look right into it, you can just see no paint cracks or nothing like that, but you can just tell it's a fiberglass hood. It ain't. How would you describe that? Little. You just feel a couple little rises there in the fiberglass.
Yeah.
We do have a paint imperfection here, just a scratch. Other than that, the top of the fenders look great. The windshield looks like that's all been replaced. That's beautiful. Top of the dash pad's nice. The top painted piece here, it's really a nice original. What's it got for miles on it, D?
Odometer shows 48,000.
Okay. It's hard to say. A door buzzer still works. It's just a...
The odometer lines up really well, though.
Does it? As far as the tire size and tire tread, the tread is awesome. We got some 225 70s up here up front. As we go down here to the bottom of the front fender, it's excellent shape. We have a couple little rock chips, but man, I don't see a bubble or anything anywhere. And this paint job was done at least 5 years ago. You know, you can just tell it wasn't done yesterday. The chrome and brightwork around the wing windows and stuff, still in great shape. The mirror's nice. Door handles. Here's what I'm talking about. If you look, you can see that it's got a little bit of age to it. It hasn't been replaced, but it's still nice and shiny, where it could be the original, possible original miles yet. Over top of the roof's great. We do have some little paint imperfections right here, and this is on your lead line. So just there again, the paint's been done years ago, and you can see some little tiny little bubbles on the lead line. Not rust bubbles, but just a
little shrinkage from the lead there.
Back bumpers, excellent. Tail light chrome, again, is original. A couple little scuffs, but all in all, that tail light chrome and lenses still look great. Behind the rear wheel, the exhaust comes out nice. Rear quarter is awesome. Over the wheel well looks good as well. And I'm with you, Dal. I love the raised white letters with the white Yenko stripes. Look at that. Door rubbers are still original, aren't they?
Yeah, they look like it.
Yep. Bottom corner of the door is good. Original headliner still, Dalton, too. So that tells us a lot about the car right here. It is 100% original headliner. We do have a little seam split, just it could be sewed back up in the back. Door panels look like they're original. Very nice. The seats have been redone in a nice cloth, and they're awesome as well.
And with how solid this thing is, it's definitely possible that it's a 48,000 original mile car.
Yeah, check out the inside corner of the door here, door jamb. Other than this paint job, it hasn't had a whole bunch done to the body. Look at the paint on the dash still. It's just excellent. As we open up here, just as you like you talked about 48,000 miles, look at the paint and the original stickers in here.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Original owner's manual. Inside there is excellent. What a survivor. Someone did add a little speakers down here. Very tastefully done. B&M shifter. Yeah, original steering wheel. Still in excellent condition. Like I said, dash pad's great. Even all this paintable stuff in here is fantastic. Visors are nice. I'm excited to drive this one and see how tight it is.
Yeah, me too.
As we go up and down the sides, nice straight body. Adjustment on the doors, just on the bottom on both would be the only thing I can say as far as adjustments on this entire car. But again, it's 50 years old and a good, solid, nice driver.
Absolutely.
Wheel well trim, we did add that. Again, no bubbles, no blisters, nothing. We got a tiny little paint chip there on the edge of the door. Really solid. Never, I mean, this is clean, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
You know, so many of these Novas, if they weren't parked in the garage, they had 100, 200,000 miles on them, they just rotted out. You tell this one sat inside for a long time. And the windows even work. I mean, most of the back windows on these Novas never work. They were a poor design.
Yeah, because they never come all the way down. They weren't designed to.
Nope.
The only other thing is this is kind of similar to the passenger side, just that little lead line there.
Can you see too, just the sun just came out and is hitting this paint. It's gorgeous.
Yeah,
as
beautiful
you walk
car.
around it.
Beautiful metallic.
The only other thing I would probably personally do if I was gonna keep the car and enjoy it myself, I would lift the back end up just a little bit, maybe another inch or two. You know, whether you do some air shocks or something else, but
I don't mind it, honestly. It's
you
kind
like
of
the stance.
yeah,
It's a factory looking stance. I'm just saying personally.
Yeah, you could always put a set of air shocks on there pretty cheap and
Oh, $100, yeah. So, like we talked about a little bit before, the annoying buzzer still works. What are you thinking here, D? Look how nice this is too. I mean, you can just tell it's just quality as far as the inside pillar pieces. The seatbelt holders are still here, all intact.
the original headliner for sure.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
definitely. I know it sounds kind of stupid, but we talk about these original cars. It smells good in here too.
Yeah, it does.
You never had any mice damage. The door panels are perfect. As far as the wood grain on the door panels are great as well. Got some tunes.
There you go.
Jam out. Heater fan works perfect. As far as our defrost and off, that works. Heater, AC, all moves freely. Look at that. Another thing, so many times that just gets in. I don't know if you heard that, but it transferred from the defrost down.
Yep.
Gas gauge works. The only thing I'm seeing that's not working right now is the horn. Temp gauge, oil pressure is over about 60 right now. Amp gauge is working. Quality car. See how she drives, huh? Another thing, I wasn't happy with the shifter. It had a B&M shifter, but we went ahead and put a brand new one in it.
Nice.
So it's got power steering works nice too. Look how that. Sometimes when you throw a big block in there, you know what I mean? It just makes a little noise or
That steers easy.
effortless. We're gonna have a really cool day to do 4 videos today.
Yeah, beautiful day.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Got some power too. There we
Nothing wrong
go.
with this, is there?
No, sir.
Look at her brakes. I mean, I feel we priced this one to sell.
Yeah.
This is a good car. We did a lot of tune-in. Just when Michael first got it in, the shifter wasn't working properly. So he's like, man, this thing doesn't seem like it has much for power. You know, but after Brant, our Tech 1, got done with it, tuning it, shifter,
Yep.
I'd say Michael was definitely wrong.
You got power.
She definitely got power, don't she? The other thing, sorry, the window's kind of Got your window down.
I know, it kind of feels good today with the window down.
Good, but
goes up easy.
it's one of those days I don't want to shout. Speedometer works great. Here's what I notice on it is the gears. So if you really want this thing to rock and roll, you could put some lower gears in it, but I was in first gear, still doing about 3,500 RPM, probably at 50 or something. So it's got some highway gears in it.
Yeah.
So I mean, if a guy wants to get kind of crazy with it, you can, but.
Damn. You don't need low gears.
That's shifting to second, and RPMs are just still at 35, 36, 4. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, nice.
So if you put some highway gears in this thing, this thing rock.
Yeah, it does. This is a great car. Awesome.
I was pretty wrong about this car.
I know. I'm impressed with the power she's got.
Yeah. When we get back, we're gonna have to tell Brant, man, he changed his whole car with a shifter.
Yeah, he did awesome. But fantastic car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Links down in the comment section of the video. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.